Okay. Right. I need 5 ounces of flour. Stick this into the food processor. Two, 3, 5 ounces. Food processors here. Then let's put just move the sieve that we got to get. That's going to be needed. That and this. I think I'm going to sieve the sugar as well. There we go. I think I'm going to sieve this and then just leave the sieve there. Move this back. Okay. I need 4 ounces of sugar. I don't know how much is left in this bag. Pour the rest of it in. We've got 2 ounces there. 2 ounces. 2 more. 3/4. 4 ounces. That was loud. Right, let's move you back, shall we? Put you a bit there. Okay. I'm using to sieve this just because the sugar's okay. It's just this bubbles there. I don't want this. And then I've got butter, and then I have 2 eggs to add. And then I do chopped sugar everywhere. I don't remember how much, but I think it's 4 ounces of butter as well. I don't need the sieve anymore. Butter is here. How much butter do I need? 4 ounces. 4 ounces of butter and chocolate chips. This one. Whole bag of that. Right. 4 ounces. 4 ounces. 4 ounces. 4 ounces. That's way more than 4 ounces. Maybe not. If not, we're at 2 1/8. Okay. Two and a half. 3. That's not going to be an ounce, is it? I need a quarter more. 4 1/8. I hate not having things exact. There we go. 4 ounces. Okay, right there. I need to do the spoons. I need a cup. I need a mug. And I'll get it. Mug. I need a mug of water. I don't know what to use. Yes. This is prepping for later. There we go. Put this in here. God. Okay, 2 eggs. Hey, new show. That was a good one. Oh, it's probably gonna shut it. I don't think it did. God. I need a bit of milk. Added a splash of milk and milk, but just make it so it works. I think that's clipped. I don't think it clipped. Oh, wait. It's not. I clipped it. Right. chips. And put all these in. Then when you do, you don't want to get chopped up. That's what it looks like. So, you have to partition it. You can only make 12 or 16, depending how big you make the thing. Ew, why is it sticky? Yes. Right. It's okay. Well, Mum's blade out. It's still butter over them. Okay. Yeah. That's good enough. I can't see what I'm doing. Oh no. Oh God. I'm going to try and avoid getting it on the tray so it don't burn. Just kind of want to get some at the end. The ones all have similar amounts, so you can always go back at the end and even it all out, which is what I'm going to do. Some have about none, some have a ton. It's very close. Okay, now it's ready. This one. I might have put too much on some. I use just want to even it out so we cook at the same time. That's okay. And that one's going in. Should be good. Oh, don't. Oh no, it's put on the tray. Okay. There's still some left. So that's what.